Hi there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing Thinkorswim and TradeStation to see which trading platform suits you best. We'll go over the fees, the tools, and overall experience. So for the first one, user interface and experience, Thinkorswim has advanced and professional and steep learning curve. And for TradeStation, it has cleaner interface and it is easier for beginners. Second, fees and commissions. Thinkorswim has zero commission on stocks and option fees apply. TradeStation has competitive commissions and especially for active traders. Third, trading tools and features. Thinkorswim is excellent for options and derivatives and advanced analytics. On the other hand, TradeStation is strong for stacks and options and good for charting and alerts. Fourth, account types and minimums. Thinkorswim has flexible account options and has moderate minimums. On the other hand, TradeStation has multiple accounts and has moderate minimums. Fifth, customer support and resources. Thinkorswim has good support and extensive online tutorials, and TradeStation has responsive support and in-depth resources. Now, for the last one, Thinkorswim is best for options traders and advanced analytics. On the other hand, TradeStation is more beginner friendly and strong all around platform. So if you're focused on options trading with advanced analytics, then Thinkorswim is ideal for you. But for a versatile platform with easier setup, then TradeStation is the better choice for you. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this comparison helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.